Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, along with other useful resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Freetrade tax software. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into Freetrade tax software, a dedicated solution crafted for investors and traders seeking a simplified approach to tax reporting. This software aims to streamline the often complex process of calculating capital gains and dividend taxes, ensuring accurate compliance while significantly reducing the time spent on tax preparation. It's particularly valuable for those managing their investments through the Freetrade platform. A key feature of Freetrade tax software is its seamless automatic import functionality. By linking your investment accounts, the software directly retrieves transaction data from your Freetrade portfolio, eliminating manual data entry and minimizing the risk of errors. This streamlined process ensures accurate calculations of capital gains and losses using recognized methods like FIFO, first in, first out. Furthermore, the software meticulously tracks dividends and other taxable income, providing a clear and organized breakdown for tax filing purposes. Freetrade tax software also generates a comprehensive tax summary report detailing realized gains, losses, and any tax-deductible fees. This report is specifically formatted to meet the requirements of various tax authorities, whether you're located in the UK, the US, or other supported regions. For those working with an accountant, the data can be exported in various formats, facilitating seamless collaboration. The platform itself boasts a user-friendly interface with clear, guided steps for tax calculations, making it accessible to investors of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned traders. Unlike general tax software, Freetrade tax software is specifically tailored to the needs of stock, ETF, and investment account holders, offering a niche solution with exceptional relevance for this specific user group. In conclusion, Freetrade tax software is a highly recommended tool for Freetrade users looking for a simple yet effective way to manage their investment taxes. Its automation features, accuracy, and user-friendly design provide investors with peace of mind during tax season. Click the links in the description to learn more and start simplifying your tax reporting today.